Hey guys, welcome back to the Style and Beauty Doctor on YouTube, and as you can see, we are on location. I'm at Skin Spa, New York, located on West 37th, and we have a member of the skincare squad. We're about to show you the process of a peel. So I teamed up with the PCA, let's get back into the light. I teamed up with the PCA skin team, who they offer peels for every skin type. So we are going to talk about skin concerns and what peels can do, and I'll show you a little bit of the process, so keep watching. But first, 20 seconds of education. So a chemical peel in basic terms is a treatment where a chemical solution is placed on the skin that helps to exfoliate the skin, gets rid of dead skin cells. It's also something that helps with hyperpigmentation and skin texture. Now, there are different types of peels. There are the mild ones that you can do at home, and then there are stronger ones that you can do with an esthetician, and even stronger ones that you can do with a dermatologist. All right. Look how, listen, I am so lucky. No, you look amazing. I feel so lucky to have such gorgeous people that follow me. And you need to follow her too, because she has a YouTube channel here and an Instagram. I'll put it on the screen and link it below. But what are you even getting a peel for? What are we peeling?
I have issues, okay?
Okay, what are your issues?
All of them, no. I feel like I have texture. I feel like I have clogged skin or clogged pores, that is called.
Okay.
Congested, that's what I'm looking for.
Okay.
Congested. I feel like I have some discoloration, all the things.
Okay.
All the things.
Allegedly. So we're gonna go in and sit with the esthetician. We're gonna talk to her about Shukura's skin and see what kind of PCA peel that they would recommend.
Never.
Really? With that beautiful skin, you've never had a facial treatment?
Never, no.
I
didn't know what to do.
Oh.
You can just raise your hand for a second.
Okay.
So the process with PCA, it's a leave-on peel, it's not a removable one, which means that you have to keep it on for a while.
Okay.
No
How long
makeup.
is a while?
A while, I would suggest for best results, anywhere from 10 to 12 hours.
Okay.
It's a good idea to come for this peel in the evening when you have no plans.
So if I need to go straight home.
Well, yeah, it's still gonna look just fine.
Okay.
The thing is that you're not supposed to sweat it off or put makeup over it.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's just more convenient most of the time when you know the drill to
Yes.
come in the evening and then just go home, relax.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, got it.
Yep. Any product allergies I should know about?
No.
Perfect. Tell me about your primary skin concerns if you have any.
Texture.
Sure.
I have 38 facial hair, so I had some marks from getting electrolysis. So
Sure.
marks. That's pretty much it.
Some discoloration
Yeah.
on the target as
Right.
well as texture, just some nice exfoliation.
Okay.
Achieved. Sure.
I'm looking for this alleged texture and congestion.
What was on this side?
Allegedly.
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure there is nothing too strong going
Oh,
in the
okay.
routine before PC because we don't want to do too many things close together
Yeah.
when it comes to strong prescriptions
Yeah.
combined with PCA. You see what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
If whatever it is over the counter and no retinol involved too close to the treatment, we should be fine.
And Shukura, you do sunscreen, right?
Of course.
Okay.
Danielle told me.
Yes!
What's your, it's a good point, what's your sunscreen factor? How high is it?
It is the Unseen Sunscreen by Goop.
I think that's like 30 or 45.
That's a good
Yeah,
number.
yeah.
Definitely. Because I want you to know, guys, PCA peels, like most of the peels, they make your skin a bit more light sensitive than usual.
Yeah.
So it's important to use SPF on a daily
SPF,
basis.
yep.
Pay extra attention to that.
Is it sticky? I'm trying to think.
It's gonna feel tight and dewy today.
Okay.
Teeny tiny bit sticky, but nothing too uncomfortable. Just gonna take a closer look at your skin. Okay. Overall skin looks wonderful.
That's why I said allegedly.
I think some congestion is going on considering there hasn't been a facial involved for a while. So feel free to come for regular extractions facial. Unfortunately, it can be combined with PCA because PCA is a leave-on. It's on a stronger side compared to power peel, which can be combined with a facial. So today we'll just stick with exfoliation. But generally speaking, clients can come for PCA, wait 2 weeks, get extractions, and then another 2 weeks PCA for the maintenance mode. Make sense?
Yes.
Perfect. Right, so we're just gonna go ahead and start application of products. It's literally just application of layers of PCA peels. It's customizable. So what I chose is Sensi. I use Sensi, just one layer because it's the first time, and we can't go too harsh on the skin when it's been a while since the last facial. Once you start getting regular PCA peels, we can go a bit stronger each time, building layers up a bit. But today we'll just do one layer of Sensi, one layer of PCA hydroquinone free. Why I'm opting for hydroquinone free is because it's a great brightening product which is safe on darker skin. So that's a great combo of different acids and brightening ingredients. And then we'll finish with advanced treatment booster, which has retinol in it, so it's some nicer extra exfoliation.
Do people usually layer their peels, or is it's like on a case-by-case basis?
Yeah, exactly. So it's like we really customize that depending on what skin needs. It could be just Sensi, like 2 layers, 3 layers, or it could be 1 layer if skin is super sensitive. So we really do figure out depending on how skin looks, how sensitive it looks, and what it needs. Sounds good?
Sounds good.
So we start with the Sensi Peel application. We just put it on, then dry it out, and continue with the next layer.
Do you feel the tingle?
Not yet.
Okay.
Oh, there it goes. Yeah.
And then that was my stomach making that little. My bad. Does it hurt? Or is it just like a tingle?
It doesn't hurt. It's a little tingly though.
Just kicks in the beginning. So you feel quite good. You can just put your chin a little higher so you can cover under your jawline where discoloration is.
How long does it take to see results from something like this?
Well, so today, as I mentioned before, skin will feel tight and dewy tomorrow. It's going to start feeling tight and dry. And peeling, if peeling occurs, it does occur on day 3 usually. And that's when skin might peel a little bit, just mild flakiness, nothing crazy, nothing extreme. That's where you just use your moisturizer to make your skin feel comfortable.
But you shouldn't like pick it or exfoliate or anything like that? What
do you mean by picking?
Like if it peels?
Very good question. It's better not to force that flakiness to come off. It will eventually fall off on its own. It's just better to moisturize and let it be with neutral, nice moisturizers, without acids, without retinoids, without anything like that. Make sense? You can also use some hyaluronic acid serum. Although it's acid, you understand it's just a moisturizing acid. So it's not gonna cause any extra drying the other way around.
So is the fan like, what is the fan doing?
I'm just drying
while
it's absorbing.
Yeah,
then we can layer it with next one. On a level of 0 to 10, if 0 is no sensation and 10 is like extreme sensation, how would you describe it?
Right now? 4, 3 maybe?
Not too bad. Right. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply hydroquinone free 1. That's the brightening one. This might feel a little bit stronger, sensation-wise.
Those cheekbones, though.
Oh, stop.
Is there something people can do at home for congestion? What would you suggest?
First thing first, of course, not using too heavy products. On the products on the lighter side. Cleansing your face. I'm just talking about basics, right? Cleansing your face morning and night, whether you wear makeup or not. exfoliating your skin. But there is no way to really prevent congestion. We can just slow it down.
Yeah.
You see, guys? Because buildup will still accumulate inside pores, and we'll have to take care of it. That's why, for on average, recommend monthly facials. Once a month.
Okay.
You're doing okay. How is the sensation?
Oh, it's a little more.
It's a bit stronger.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's cool.
You need to hold my hand?
This is like a 5. It's a little stronger though. Okay, makes it feel better somehow.
The retinol booster,
Okay.
just for some extra exfoliation and brightening benefits, of course.
Yeah, it's definitely, I won't say burning, but it is a...
Tingle.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you still doing good?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Okay.
So when I wash it off either before bed or tomorrow morning, do I not do the rest of my skincare routine, or do I just let it go?
Once you wash it off, you just apply your moisturizer and SPF.
Okay.
If that's going to be morning.
Okay.
If it's evening to night, you just apply moisturizing products.
Got it.
And sunscreen during the day, right?
Definitely, definitely. It's needed anyway, but especially after PCA, that makes your skin a bit more light sensitive.
Okay.
It's a really important part. Just massaging it in. You doing okay?
Yeah.
How's your skin feeling?
Oh,
Tingly?
little tingly's a nice. Mercy.
Sensation usually resolves within the next 15 minutes max.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. It's just, it feels more harsh. Apply the retinol booster and it's kind of like a creamy, watery thing.
Yeah.
And water is a catalyst, so it activates the sensation of previous layers. Not because it stings on its own that much. Do you know what I mean?
What do you think of at-home peels?
At-home peels? Like whatever is sold at Sephora?
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably a good idea as a maintenance. Yeah, it's definitely a good idea to exfoliate. There are two ways to exfoliate, physical and chemical way. It's just a chemical way.
Yeah.
And so you can mix and match with physical exfoliation and chemical. Because physical sometimes is a little too harsh with all those particles involved. Right? So you might find chemical more helpful, especially when it comes to like a deeper seating discoloration on the skin. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm gonna apply some eye cream. We'll follow with SPF and lip balm, and you're all set. Okay?
Oh wow, that was fast.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's one of the fastest treatments because it's literally application. There's no mask because we're leaving those layers on.
Yeah. Wow.
Not putting on enough sunscreen. Good grief.
Okay.
Yes.
Is that a in-house or is that a PCA?
It's a PCA one. Currently using.
All right. So how are we feeling?
Good. It was a little sensation-y, is that a word? But it's all right. It feels good. Do I look crazy?
No, you look good. That hair looks healthy, wealthy, and wise. We need. Listen, go check out her channel. Do you talk about your hair on your channel?
Yes.
Go check out her channel because this hair, that's wealth. Rich. So you have to keep this on overnight. You're gonna rinse it off in the morning. Can we get updates?
I'll totally send you some updates.
Yeah, then maybe we'll see like what your skin's looking like a week after. So yeah, you guys make sure you keep watching this video because we're gonna go in. It's gonna be like the magic of editing. It's gonna feel like it's all one day, but time is gonna elapse and Shukura is gonna give us the tea on what the peel is like. Leave me a comment below. Have you ever had a peel before? What was your experience? Let me know in the comments. And like I said before, go to her channel. It'll be linked in the description box along with her other social media information. Listen, I know this is a skincare video, but we need to get an OOTD on this thing here. So you just got to model, yes, and twirl. Yes, where'd you get the dress from? The dresses you said Zara, right?
Zara, Sam Edelman.
Yes.
Ooh. From Marshalls or something, I don't remember.
Yes.
This is probably old H&M, I don't remember.
Yes, and the sunglasses.
The glasses are a brand called V. That's right here. What's it say? VYE?
That what it says?
I just got this camera, so I don't even know how to zoom in. Okay, I got it.
Is it VYE? Did I make that up?
VYE, yes.
All right, yeah.
Beautiful and the hair from God.
They stay out of like heat, try to stay away from the sun, and
Okay.
I'll kind of explain that to you a little bit too. Okay.
So the only way to really describe how my face is feeling is tight. I feel like I don't know how else to describe it, but it feels tight. So I'm about to wash it off. I left it on all night, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Soft. Well, smooth, I'll say for right now. All right, that's day one. All right, day two. I just got out of the shower. But before I went in the shower, I realized that I had a lot of peeling. It was all right underneath my lip and my chin, going all the way around. I got in the shower, cleansed my face very lightly, and now it looks like this. You see, it just looks like I'm ashy. Right here is a little bit of new skin peeking through. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's mad smooth. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's very smooth. It's kind of shiny, you can't really see in the camera. But, yeah, it just look ashy. Oh, Lord Jesus. But here's the gag. I got to go to the post office looking like I got the coronavirus on my face. So, what I'm going to do, I feel like, is just wear a big scarf right over my face and just pretend like, you know, that's the new style. Alright, so this is the last day. I've pretty much gone back to my normal routine. I feel like I'm mostly peeled. There's a few places that still don't look as shiny. But do y'all see this shine right here? That new skin? I would 100% do this again. I feel like it did take a while. Let me take that back. I would do it again if I had the time. It took about 5 to 6 days for my face to fully peel. But I ain't never had that. See this shine right here? Y'all see this shine? I ain't never had that before. Never, never, never. So I would try it again. But yeah, I'm back to normal. Well, I'm back to my normal skin routine. And I feel like I'm looking alright. I definitely still have marks. I definitely still have a little bit of texture, but I do feel like it's improved. Hold on, let me show you. Is my skin perfect? No, but I do feel like this is something that you have to do, that you have to continue to do to get better results. So yeah. That was my experience, and thank you, Danielle, for taking me along. And yeah.
Alright, so that was what happens with a peel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you see more skincare, more fashion, all of the things. Again, this beautiful woman, her info will be in the description box. Go follow her, check her out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you fine folks in my next one. Bye guys.